Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am a huge Sanrio fan, specifically for Kuromi, My Melody and Cinnamon Roll. So when I saw the MART website had launched the My Melody and Kuromi SKULLPANDA plushes, I knew I had to get them. So this one's about $40 each. Let's look at My Melody first. Okay, so we have their cards at the top here. Oh, so cute. Let's get her out of this. Hopefully it won't be as tough compared to this fella. Okay, let's take a closer look at the My Melody doll. Here she is in all her glory. So look at her eyes. It's pink and there's a heart shape within. And her nose, that is actually yellow here, just like how My Melody has a yellow nose. She also has a little yellow spot on top of her nose here. And she has a big bow here. Some My Melody charms at the side of her ears. So she has bunny ears on top of the regular earmuffs over here. And the back of her head says My Melody. Although I can't really see the Y. It's kind of blocked off. Yeah, perhaps that can be done better. A little bunny tail. And she has a coat that I don't think can be removed. Technically, it's not attached to the body, but the front of the coat, I think, is sewn together. Yep, this part here is sewn together. So it would be a challenge to take off the coat and be able to put it back on if you want. So therefore, this coat stays on. It's part of her. On her belly, there's this star shape. On her right leg, there's a little flower sewn on, as well as here on her left ear. So on her right bunny ear, there are two bows, and on the top of her head is one big bow. So adorable. Yep. And on her left leg is another bow. Let's go to Kuromi next. Hello. Okay, let's look at Kuromi. So Kuromi's eyes, I think, are amazing. It's a little Kuromi head inside her eyes, which are purple and pink. Like the lower part is more pink and the top part is more purple. And yep, let's move her eyes a little. She's looking down. A little Kuromi charm. Kuromi skull at the top and a skull on her tummy. She also has a coat, and the earmuffs, there's this star shapes, and a little devil tail. And the back says Kuromi. Here's them together. Ta-da!